Aloe vera, hydrates skin. Green tea, fights aging. Honey, natural antibacterial. Lemon, brightens skin. Cucumber, reduces puffiness. Turmeric, anti-inflammatory. Avocado, moisturizes skin. Charcoal, detoxifies skin. Rose water, balances pH. Lavender, calms senses. Tea tree oil, fights acne. Shea butter, nourishes skin. Jojoba oil, controls sebum production. Argan oil, promotes hair growth. Chamomile, soothes skin. Ginger, stimulates circulation. Papaya, natural exfoliant. Almond oil, reduces dark circles. Peppermint, refreshes skin. Cinnamon, plumps skin. Remember, nature has all the ingredients you need to achieve radiant skin and overall well-being.